Okay, so we are going to now do the 6-inch square. So you have 5 steps that you're going to follow along. First, it's asking you to begin in the middle of a side and stitch a 1/2 inch from the edge. So I'm going to find my 4/8 of an inch line, and I'm going to line my fabric up there. I'm going to put my presser foot down, and I'm going to back stitch to begin. Okay, so I'm going to hold my back stitch button and back stitch just a little bit. So my eyes are on my 4/8 of an inch line. And I'm going to sew. And then when I get close to the edge, I'm going to slow down. And I'm going to leave my needle down. I'm going to lift up my presser foot and I'm going to rotate. So my fabric is not at 4/8 of an inch now, so I need to go back. I'm going to do 2 more stitches with my hand here, and then I'll retest it. There I am, back on my 4/8 of an inch. So I'll put my needle down, and then I'll sew my next line. So again, my eyes are on my 4/8 of an inch line. When I get close to the edge, I'm going to slow down, use my hand wheel, leave my needle down, and I'm going to test it. I can probably go 1 more stitch. Leave my needle down, turn it, and there I am, 4/8 of an inch.
Extra stuff like dangling. I don't know what I'm supposed to do with it.
Check it. I'm a little over, but if I go 1 more stitch, I'll be too short. So I'm going to leave it and get back right on my 4/8 of an inch line. Again, my eyes are watching right here. Okay, slow down, put my needle down. 4/8. And then right when I get back to where I began, I'm going to go over just a little bit, and then I'm going to back stitch. Just a couple stitches. I'm going to make sure that my take-up lever is visible. I'm going to take it out. I'm going to pull it all the way here, and then you can either cut it with your scissors, or you can tuck it behind your blade, and it'll cut it for you. Next, I'm going to move to my lines. So I need to do 2 straight lines, and then I need to do 2 zigzag lines. So I'm going to back stitch each time. So I'm going to start here, put my presser foot down. I always start with a back stitch. So I'll go backwards a few stitches, sew down, and then back stitch a couple stitches. Take it out, cut it. Maybe. Okay, for this demo, I'm just going to do 1 of each. So the zigzag line, you're going to need to come over to your top dial here, and you're going to turn it to the 2. That's going to change your stitch to the zigzag. So you'll come back to your machine, and then it should zigzag for you. So again, we start off back stitching, and then you come down, and then you end with back stitching. Okay, so I'll take it out, cut it. So you can see now that I have a few little back stitches on the beginning of both of those, and then a few back stitches on the beginning of the zigzag.